little of my cheese. So I sprinkle my cheese, and I'm gonna turn off my oven and leave it in the oven for like, I'm going to be showing you how I make my potato. In Nigeria we call it casserole, but I'm making it with potato. Instead of yam, I'm going to be making it with potato. So the first thing I'm going to do is I wash my potato and I'm going to slice them into smaller chunks. Okay, so let's do that. You don't have to peel the back. It is optional. You can if you want to, but I choose not to. Got my potato all sliced up. So I'm going to pour it in some boiling water and boil it for 5 minutes. So once it's fully boiled, we're going to take it out of the water and I'll show you the next process. While my potato is boiling, I'm going to grab some grounded pepper. If you don't have grounded pepper, you can also use your dry pepper. That is totally fine. And I'm going to add some other ingredients. My black pepper, garlic salt, parsley, in my blended pepper I have onions and ginger and also garlic in it. So at this time, if I want to add some more, garlic, onions or whatever, I can also add it. So I'm going to grab some minced garlic, fresh garlic, and then some butter as well. So here is my butter, melted butter with garlic in it. I sliced the garlic in it and I'm going to pour it in my pepper. So at this stage I'm going to stir everything together. So here's the deal. I'm going to pour my pepper mixture in my bowl, my cooking bowl. So I added some water. I'm going to add more water. So I'm going to add my 3 cans of tuna. We're going to mix everything together. So while I'm doing all the mixing, my oven is already turned on to 350. My oven is already in 350. So I'm going to pour my potato. I'm going to pour it. Look at that. It's coming to life. So once I pour it all in the I'm going to mix everything together. Look at that. I'm going to mix everything together. Make sure everything gets in the sauce mixture very well. Make sure everything is well immersed in it, in the sauce. Look at that. It's not ready yet, and my mouth is watering. You don't want to miss this recipe. It's a very quick, easy recipe to make on any day you know craving for potato, or you don't even know what to cook. You can just, and you have some potato at home, you can just, you know, like go for this quick recipe. You're gonna love it. The kids are gonna enjoy it as well. So make sure to try it out and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Okay, so now everything is all mixed together. I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay, before I put it in the oven, I'm gonna make sure I cover it up with foil to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So here is it, covered up in the foil, and I'm going to put it in the oven and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not a cheese lover, but I'm going to add this cheese to give it, you know, probably some more of the oven after 15 minutes. And I'm going to sprinkle bits of my cheese. So I sprinkle my cheese, and I'm going to turn off my oven and leave it in the oven for like 3 more minutes for it to melt. The heat in the oven is enough to melt it. Okay, so once it's fully ready, I will show you how it turns out. And guess what? I know as you're watching this, your mouth is already watering. So make sure to try this recipe out. Let me know how it turns out. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe below, and also turn on your notification bell. And here is what we got. Look at that. My kids love this. I love it. So make sure to try it out. Let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.